How are these sweet potatoes there, Shane? Can you actually get it in your mouth, buddy, this time? Oh! Okay, the goal is, remember, like you did a little bit ago, put these actually in your mouth. Oh my gosh. I need a bath. Go. Well, at least we know you're having fun. I might have to clean the kitchen for a while after this. Go. Is that good stuff? It's actually going better than the baby food, isn't it? All right, maybe we should clean up.